This is Munnar Marayur Road. Marayur is a small taluk near Tamil Nadu, about 40 kilometers from Munnar town on the Ujjamalpet road. Marayur has the largest grove of sandalwood trees. Marayur jaggery, forest teeming with wild animals, Muniyaras, believed to be burial sites of prehistoric humans, are unique to Marayur. Sandalwood forests. Marayur is the only place in Kerala with natural sandalwood groves. If you want to explore this heavenly place and enjoy the sight of aromatic sandalwood trees, then Marayur is not very far away from Munnar. This densely jungle is located around 40 kilometers from Munnar, on the eastern side of the Western Ghats, and is bordered by the neighbouring state Tamil Nadu. Tourists can visit the famous sandalwood factory here, which is run by the forest department. There are around 65,000 trees in the sandalwood forest of Marayur, and these are said to be of high quality. The tourists can also see the processing of sandalwood in this forest and take a stroll in the jungle, only after taking permission from the forest department.